Hello everyone. In today's video I'm looking to replace the feet on my SG3 Olympia typewriter. Common with lots of typewriters as they age are the feet that deteriorate, the rubber feet. So these are 50 years old, the rubber has completely dried out, they are cracking, the rear feet are crumbling far more than the front two feet. As a result, the screw is scratching on the desk and the typewriter is not level. So I'm going to remove the first foot of the typewriter. It's just a standard flathead screw. And not only is there the screw, there is this small collar which supports the screw inside of the foot to hold it to the chassis. So I need to take this into account when designing a replacement for it. So using a pair of calipers, I'll be able to take measurements of this foot to be able to use in generating a model. And with the magic of some 3D CAD software on the computer, I've been able to generate this 3D model of a replacement foot for the machine. And here they are being printed. So this is a thermoplastic called TPU, which is flexible, so it shares similar properties to that of rubber. And here is the finished foot. As you can see, it's squishy yet strong vertically, so it should suit the typewriter well. It'll certainly be far better than these dried feet. So let's see if the collar fits in. So we can now try and fit this onto the typewriter. I'm very pleased with these, they've turned out well. So now for the ultimate test, let's just try the typewriter on the desktop without anything beneath it to see what movement there is. And the typewriter's hardly moving at all. It's not sliding. Even when operating the carriage return and throwing it across, there's hardly any movement, even without a pad to support the typewriter beneath. So far, so good. So now I think we need a typing test. So I've got the pad that I normally use beneath the typewriters. It's an anti-slip silicone pad I like to use. And the typewriter isn't budging at all. Even with a heavy throw of the carriage, the typewriter is staying exactly where it is.